Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hello, my name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I don't know what I'm titling it yet. Probably just another smoky eye or warm smoky eye. I don't know. But to create this look, I used hands down the most disappointing palette ever, and it is this Crown Pro palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. Just like this. The reason why I say it's so disappointing, whenever I look at it, I am so uninspired. I had no idea what kind of look to create for today with this palette. Nothing. I've only used it, I think this is the second time I've used it. So uninspired that this is just the look that I came up with. It's so basic. I know, I'm sorry, but I think I'm going to get rid of this, because that is how much I do not like this palette. Thankfully, I did not buy it. I got it in a Yes Oh Yes bag, but so uninspired by this palette. I absolutely hate it. It is the most disappointing palette ever, and it will no longer be in any of my videos because that's how much it disappoints me. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using the most disappointing palette ever, then keep watching. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!